24 years old siya. Okay, yan yung client mo. So, for example, ibigay mo yan. Ang explanation ko, ginagawa ko usually is, if we put this in the bank, so let's say 10 years, no? Times 10 mo yan, magkano ang ipon niya sa bangko? Ha? 500,000, tama? 500,000 sa sa 10 buwan, 10 taon, di ba? Pero ito naman yung laman ng I'm sorry. Ito sa bank, ano, versus bank pala tayo. So, bank ito yung bank. Okay, bahala ka kung anong bangko 'yan. Kung anong bangko meron sa inyo. So, sa isang 10 taon, ito naman yung kanya naipon sa bangko, and that's not good naman. But the problem here is, do you think that your 500,000 is the same as 500,000 after 10 years? No. Because of the inflation rate. So maybe ngayon, sabihin mo sa kanya, maybe ngayon you can buy 100 sack of rice dyan. Kayang-kaya naman niya, no? Pero after, i-less mo kagad yung 7% na inflation rate. Magkano na? So it's no longer, you can no longer buy a 100 sack of rice. Baka mabibili mo na lang due to an inflation rate is, let's say, 90 na sacks. So nawalan ka ng 10 sacks. Ibig sabihin, hindi na yan 500. So, baba na yan, ano? Now, the problem, for example, naglalagay ka ng 50,000 sa bangko mo, no? So after, let's say, after 3 years, I'm sorry, after 3 years, so meron ka ng 150,000 sa bangko, tama? Okay. Na-hospital ka ngayon. Sabi ng doktor, Ezra, you need 500,000 for your medication. So what will happen to your money to the bank? Withdraw mo yan. Walang
BBC.
Close account. So anong gagawin mo next move mo? Mabaon ka debt. Okay, mabaon ka sa utang. Or sale property, no? Ibenta mo yung property mo, and ang worst dyan is what?
Wala.
Mura. Because rush sale. So, ayan, since mura yan. O, tignan mo ha. O, eto naman. Versus FWD. Tignan natin. Ano naman kung kay FWD? The same. You pay 50,000 in 50,000 in sige. in a year. Okay, in a year. So, the same way after 10 years, no? You will pay 500,000. Okay? The difference is, let's say after 3 years, nagkaroon ka ng critical illness. So, after 3 years, example lang to ha, bahala kayo kung babaan ninyo para mas maganda. Nagkaroon ka ng critical illness. So, sabi ng doktor, Ezra, you need 500,000 pesos. Kakabahan ka ba? Because you know that the FWD life insurance will pay you. The same yung inilagay mo, so saan ka ngayon? Of course, dito ka, di ba? So,